Welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you step by step on how to make your About section public in WhatsApp. This is a quick and easy process that ensures everyone can see your About information. Let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp app on your smartphone. Once the app is loaded, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice 3 vertical dots. This is the menu button. Tap on it. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to a page where you can manage all your WhatsApp preferences. Next, find and tap on the option labeled Privacy. This section controls who can see your personal information, including your profile photo, status updates, and About section. Now scroll down and tap on About. Here, you'll see a list of privacy options for your About information. These include Everyone, My Contacts Except, and Nobody. To make your About public, simply select Everyone. By choosing this option, anyone who has your phone number can view the information you've added to your About section. And that's it. Your About is now visible to everyone. If you ever want to change this setting in the future, just follow these same steps and select a different privacy option. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.